Today, I'll be comparing sea moss from 3 online companies, and child, one of these things is not like the others. Stick around. Hey, I'm Timotha, Lanae, indie artist, health enthusiast, and a mom. And on this channel, I share me and my family's journey to better health via detox, alkaline eating, and herbs. So if you want to learn more about alkaline living and how you can detox to support your body while it heals, make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell. I post new videos every week. Hello, beautiful people. It's Timotha Lanae, and I'm so excited because I got me some gold sea moss. I got some gold sea moss from Fruits and Roots in the mail that I had pre-ordered a while ago, and they were on back order. It was during this whole epidemic, so it just took a while to get here, but I finally got my gold sea moss from Fruits and Roots, and I also have my gold sea moss from Derek product. I've been using Derek product a lot. When I ran out of the first real sea moss I ever got was YAGA Lifestyle's purple sea moss, and when I went to go reorder it, it was sold out. But my sister-in-law came to the rescue and found Derek product online, so I've been using Derek product ever since. And then I also during that time had ordered Fruits and Roots but hadn't received it. And so now I've received it. So I was like, let me make my gold sea moss from Derek product and from Fruits and Roots, because the only time I ever made sea moss gel with gold sea moss before, it's always been purple in the past that I've used it. But the only other time that I did gold sea moss gel was when I had bought from a company that was selling farm harvested sea moss. So I never ended up really using that once I realized that that sea moss wasn't the high quality sea moss. I actually kept that sea moss that was the pool grown just so I would always have something to compare real sea moss to. So this is that. It actually came in this plastic bag like this. This is how they sent it to me. So that's a red flag in itself. You see these two companies here, I received it in a very high quality package with Fruits and Roots and with Derek product. But this company, I just received it in this Ziploc bag, and that was a little alarming. They were marketing themselves as wild crafted, but they actually were more of the farm raised sea moss. This is how it looked. It doesn't have the small tentacles. It's just packed full of the salt, and it's just not high quality at all. It was a lot of moisture. It wasn't completely dried out. It didn't even compare to these two. Here's Fruits and Roots. You can see how fine the tentacles are on this. You see a little bit of mineral content on it, but it's nowhere near like that, like just added salt, you know, but you can see that there is some little bit of mineral content that happens when it's dried out in the sun. Hold it up next to this one. You can see just the difference between that and this. Pay attention to the little details of like the tentacles. But this is definitely wild crafted from Fruits and Roots. I was excited to try them out. They have passed the test in my book. The full test will be once I make the gel and see how my body responds to it. But it's pretty much looks just like this Derek product sea moss. If you look at this Derek product sea moss, you see how fine that is. Oh, that looks really good. And theirs is much cleaner actually. So you can see it's high quality sea moss with a little bit of mineral content that you have to actually really look close to see it. But there's a little bit of mineral content, salt, but not like the other stuff that I showed you earlier. These are the two. I'm gonna make gold sea moss gel because in the other video I made purple sea moss gel. So I'm excited to make this gold. If you haven't seen my video how to make alkaline sea moss cheese, make sure to check that out. I used this Derek product sea moss to make that sea moss cheese, and it's really delicious. I'll link to Derek product's website in the description box below. You can use the code GOLD15 if you want to get 15% off any gold sea moss that you purchase. If you wanted to purchase something else other than gold sea moss, you can use the code WELCOME10 and that'll get you 10% off anything that you purchase. But for 15% off gold sea moss, you can use the code GOLD15. And I'll also link to Fruits and Roots in the description box below. I don't have a code for them, but they do have quality sea moss, so I just want to share that with you all. And if you all know of any high quality companies that sell sea moss, definitely let me know, because as I promised a long time ago in other videos, I am compiling a list of all the different real sea moss sellers online, and I want to share that with you, and I want to have a really comprehensive long list. Take taken a while for me to actually do that video because I've been ordering sea moss from different places. Like I have some coming in from Vital Vegan. I'm just waiting to get sea moss from these different places that I want to share with you all. But who I can vouch for right now is Fruits and Roots and Derek Product and YAGA Lifestyle. Those are the three that I have used that have been real. Tune in next week so you don't miss the upcoming videos in this All Things Sea Moss series. I'll be showing how to properly wash and soak your sea moss so that it's safe to ingest, and also so that you get the most out of it when you're making your gel. And I'll also show how I made this gold sea moss into gel, and I'll be comparing the two different gels from these companies, Fruits and Roots and Derek Product. And I'll also share how to make sea moss water. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you do not miss any of these videos, because they're going to be packed full of information. Also, stay tuned for my real versus fake update video. I have a ton of new information that I want to share with you that I've learned since the first video that I posted, real versus fake sea moss. I'll link that below, but definitely subscribe, hit the notifications bell so you do not miss that video. And make sure to watch 20 unique ways to use sea moss. I share all the ways that I use my sea moss gel and sea moss water for health, for skin, for hair, and for delicious recipes. Don't forget to watch my alkaline sea moss cheese recipe. I'll link to it below. Make sure you go to my website and subscribe to my newsletter so you don't miss the announcement for my upcoming alkaline recipe book and detox transition guide. I've been talking with y'all and listening to what you need, and I'm creating this recipe book and detox transition guide to help those of you looking to transition yourselves and your families into an alkaline lifestyle. To subscribe to the newsletter, all you have to do is go to my website, timothalanae.com, which is linked below, and scroll down, and the subscribe prompt will pop up into your email, and voila, you are subscribed. If you want to learn more about alkaline living and detox, watch my series, Detox Made Easy, and my complete Dr. Sebi playlist. And go and binge watch the previous videos in my All Things Sea Moss series, like how I healed my acne scars with sea moss, and how to make you and your kids some sea moss popsicles. Join my Facebook group, Alkaline Living and Detox, for more meal plan ideas, Q&A, and a community of like-minded individuals. Please do subscribe, like, and share this video if it was helpful for you and you feel like it could help others. I am Timotha Lanae. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, God bless, and I will see you in the next video.